Let's talk about this one today. Plasma machine that does not require argon gas. It is also of the cold plasma type. Here is how to assemble this handle first. When the handle is inserted here, we like the red dot on it. Align with the red dot on the host. After that, just insert it straight. It's the red dot here and the red dot here. Then the assembly on the probe, demonstrate here. Get the head that needs to be operated. It has a half moon. That means it's not a full circle. We insert the handle by aligning. There is a button to release the plasma. Okay, power up here. The screen can be broken up and down. The status before delivery is parallel. When we use it, you can adjust it from an angle you need. This is a protective film. New machines will have a layer of this film to protect the screen. Turn on the machine after power on here. It compares to the previous version. You need a cold plasma with argon. Except that this one does not require a gas cylinder. It's missing a few heads. Then on the interface, there is only a very simple interface for operation. It's the same here. The total time here will count down from the start. There is only startup here. That is to say, when the plasma is released, there will be a countdown here. So here is a record of how many times you press a button. You can clear it here. Then this position. The corresponding probe is selected to operate. For example, what I have installed now is this wet ceramic ozone head. We choose the corresponding. Then select over here. This is after the state of readiness. We can also measure the magnitude of the energy here. Go to settings. After that, there is a continuous. One is the pulse. Its output pulse is intermittent. An interval is not a continuous deep pulse. That's the first one, continuous pulse. So that's the interface. What about our normal startup state? It doesn't work if you put your hand on it. At this point, we need to press this button. Long press it to start working. And we're going to look at this position on the screen. When long press to start working. It's recorded here that we pressed it once. And that is a 30-minute countdown. 16-minute countdown. We let go now. Before letting go, you can also find out about this location, its working status. This animation will appear. At this point I release the animation and it's gone. This way, it just stopped. It will stop in 30 minutes. But the total boot time, it will continue to record. Well, if there are some clients, he runs a clinic. He can charge the customer's fee according to this calculation. The handle is in use. There is a note. That is when you start. Try not to touch your hands. The black position at the bottom. The black position will cause the probe to be placed. There is no output on this surface. So in normal use, try to ensure that the head is on the top part. Just take it like this and operate it for him. the white end of the probe.
白色的这一头
It will have a transparent glass-like thing.
的类似玻璃的东西
Let's not uncover it.
去揭开它。
This is how it was originally designed. We'll keep it like this.
去给沟槽都起来。
Then after using this head,
用一下
you can wipe it with normal saline to clean it.
清洁。
Let's take a look at this instrument. It is other than this ceramic head.
这一个
We also equipped it probes.
8个，
There are a total of 8 probes. It comes standard on this machine.
机上的标配。
We put it here. Let's take a look. These two belong to the needle class,
针类的，
mainly used for the operation of moles and spots
操作上
and wrinkle removal.
我们的一个去皱方面，
Diamond has on lifting operations.
针方面操作
Chicks can also be used. And there's the microneedles. There are 2 microneedles.
是盖章
One is a stamped needle.
针头，
One is a needle roller. Then the square tube head and the whole head,
喇叭头、
plus a white ceramic touch head.
罐头，
So here we go.
来演示一下发
The
光
use effect of the square pipe head on this cold plasma machine that does not require gas.
台不需要气体的人等离子，机器上面的一个使用的一个效果。
Replace the probe here. Select probe initiator. We use it normally. It is also from low to high energy to start operation. There will be slight damage in
轻
operation.
微的那种类似
That feeling like and batting the skin.
感觉，
It feels like electricity when applied to the skin.
电流
It's the kind that touches the skin. There is a slight, very slight.
很轻微的，
It's not really
是
painful.
疼痛。
Individuals can still accept this state. But it is compared to cold plasma with gas cylinders. The arc it releases, not as many as those with gas cylinders. But is also effective. It acts on the
上
skin.
呢也是可以
You can also smell
闻
it.
得到我们的这个臭氧的味道，它的
The smell of ozone eating is when it works.
臭氧的味道
The fifth gear I use here.
就可以
You can obviously feel it.
就感觉到我们的一个
The feeling of the arc acting on the skin. If the customer can afford it more, we can increment it. It goes up to 10 gears.